Welcome to Delenta I and our powerful AI note taker, the ultimate tool for capturing every critical insight during your coaching calls so you can stop scribbling and stay 100% present with your clients. Let's walk through how to unlock intelligent insights from your very next session. Getting started is incredibly simple. First, make sure your preferred video conferencing tool is integrated with your account. When you launch your next coaching session, just ensure you do two quick things: record the meeting and turn on live transcription before proceeding to the call. Once your session wraps up, Delenta AI immediately gets to work behind the scenes, automatically generating your post-session assets. Once the processing is complete, you will find a dedicated AI meeting summary and full interactive transcript waiting for you inside your dashboard. Did a brilliant breakthrough happen during the call? You can easily review the transcript, pull key moments, and instantly generate a new client task directly from the summary screen to keep them moving forward. But we don't just stop at standard summaries. Delenta AI dives deep into the actual mechanics of your coaching session. You'll unlock an advanced engagement score breakdown that includes ICF markers to track your professional core competencies, ICAP scores, and COI phase. You will also get visibility into critical session signals and your exact speaker-talk ratio, helping you evaluate exactly how much space you are holding for your client versus how much you are speaking. Putting this data to work is seamless. You can grab these quick AI summaries and add them into your CRM as official session notes. You have total control over visibility. Choose to share the notes directly with your client, open them up exclusively to your team, or keep them completely private for your own reflection. To keep your records spotless, you can also effortlessly associate each note with its specific session and coaching program. And that is it. It really is that simple to build intelligent, data-driven insights across all your coaching activities while fostering deeper, more impactful client relationships.